Hi guys, this is Ross Overstreet with FLIR Systems. We're here at the Photonics West show in San Francisco. I want to show off some of our exciting new products for this year. Here we have our megapixel infrared cameras. These are the highest performance cameras that have the most sensitivity and have extensive timing and triggering options. They're used for demanding applications where you need the most sensitivity or the highest frame rate or the most optics flexibility. So right now we're looking at a relatively wide angle lens on the camera. We have lens options all the way from telescopes to microscopes for this camera. One of the big applications is designing PCB chips or designing ASICs and looking at very small structures within those chips, and we do that with a microscope optic. So we'll grab our 4X microscope, put it on here, and we can get down to about 5 microns per pixel resolution with this microscope. And to demo that, I want to look at the screw on the end of an iPhone. And it's pretty hard to hold steady without a stand, but I'll give it a shot. Okay, so there's the screw on the end of an iPhone. Tiny screw completely filling the field of view. Next we'll move around and take a look at one of our near IR cameras. So here we have the SC6200, which is a high performance near IR camera. Near IR doesn't really work in the thermal bands, it works more like reflected light. It's typically used for things like solar cell testing, medical research, astronomy, and applications like that. Remote controls use an IR LED, so we can shine the IR LED and you can see it show up. Here we have our low-cost microbolometer based cameras. These are typically used for most entry-level applications where people just need to see temperature across their test article. A lot of PCB inspection with these types of cameras. Price ranges have been in the 10 to 30K range for these sorts of products. We have something really exciting we want to show you guys next, which is a new price performance point. So here's a new product we're introducing at the show today. It's the A35SC. This sets a new price performance point for thermal infrared. This is a 320 by 240 pixel camera that is priced at $5,500 with software. So this is a great replacement for thermocouples, or a great first infrared camera for PCB inspection, electronics work. It can plot the temperature of each pixel, and we can do temperature versus time plots. Here we're going to plot the maximum temperature of that region of interest on the screen. So we have the 320 by 240 pixel version at about 5,500, and we go all the way down to about 2,500 for lower resolution versions of this camera. There's never been thermal IR at these price points before.